So people, we're going to be talking about Algorand today, as you can see from the title of the video. Now the reason I wanted to make this video is because this week, or this month should I say, I'm currently up 42% on the month, which is not too bad at all. In this video I'm going to be putting screenshots of whatever I'm talking about, just to show that I'm actually telling the truth and not just lying. But yeah, I'm currently up 42% on Algorand this month, and as I said, the reason I do want to speak about it is because it has had a huge upturn over the last 2 weeks or so. So yeah people, let's get into today's video. Now let me think where I should actually start on this. So in regards to Algorand, it's a crypto that I've been buying since October 2023. I will put the exact screenshot up, which will show you the first time that I bought some Algorand. So the reason I bought Algorand is because they are a direct competitor to Ethereum, and also they are trying to create a platform that is able to deal with many transactions. Once I got to do more research about Algorand, it's a crypto that grew on me, and I like that it wasn't too big and it wasn't too small. It was just right there in the middle, and it hadn't had this full upturn yet. So yeah, in October 2023, I decided I wanted to start investing into it. Now people, I've got some points that I want to talk about in regards to actually being up 42% over the last month on Algorand. And I'm doing this because I want to help people that are just starting out in crypto, or as I always say, people who are already in crypto and might need some help as well, just on the type of mentality that you need to have and the type of mindset that is going to get you through this whole crypto market. Now the first point I got down is not letting a good month make me become delusional on what the crypto might do in the future going forward. Although the crypto has gone up 42% for me over the last month, I'm also not letting that be the reason for me to think that it's just going to keep on going up and up and up and up. Now, Algorand has been creating a descending wedge over the last 7 to 8 months, which is something that I've been keeping an eye on, and this is a bullish reversal. I'm also going to put that up on the screen as well. So I do expect it to keep going up over the next few months, but in crypto or in the financial markets, you can never guarantee anything. So I'm not letting it make me become delusional. It's nice to be back up in some profits with Algorand, because I did hold it through the mini crypto bull market that we had in 2024. Sadly didn't take out the profits that I should have, but it's a project that I really like, and I've got a lot of confidence on. So yeah, this is a time to just I might start dollar cost averaging a bit more into the coin, because it is still down a significant amount, even though it's had that 42% upturn over the last month. It is still down a lot. So now is just the time to just stick to the plan, and keep on dollar cost averaging, as I said, and just see kind of where we get to from here. Now let's touch on if this move in Algorand actually has any real conviction behind it, or if it's just hype. Because I know over the last 2 weeks, Algorand has been cited in a lot of online publications and things of that nature. So I feel like this is what gave it that push outside of the falling wedge. But if anyone knows the financial markets, whenever you see a pattern playing out, there's always some sort of news event around it that pushes it to the upside or to the downside. So what I'm gonna do, as I said, I'm gonna keep an eye on the market, especially Algorand, and just see, you know, if this move is actually hype. I'm gonna be looking for some sort of pullback to the base of the falling wedge. And if I look at the price action and it's got decent price action around it, then I will be investing some more into it. As I said, I'm here for the long term, as you guys know. So yeah, getting into Algorand at these prices is really good. I bought a lot more even lower as well, but as I said, I'm really confident in Algorand, and I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is, essentially. And I might actually even start making some more investing into Algorand videos. I know I've got an Ethereum one coming up as well, because I have been putting my £100 in a week, but I just haven't actually shown it on camera. So I think that's going to be coming soon. I think I'm going to do the same with Algorand. But yeah, I think right now it's just finding out whether this is just some hype, because they did get mentioned in a news publication, which, as I said, this is probably the main reason why it sent the price rocketing over the last month. But yeah, I feel that's going to be a big question to know. Or maybe even you guys in the comments can let me know if you think, those of you who know about Algorand, if you think it's hype or if we're going to get some momentum behind this move. And another point I want to touch on, guys, is I want to talk a bit about actually holding coins for the long term. And in regards to this, I want to touch on mainly the type of coin that I look to hold long term. And when it comes to like your hype coins or your sort of like meme type coins, these are coins that I would look to kind of get in and out of fairly quickly, not to be holding for a long time. When it comes to my kind of long-term hold, it's normally either within Bitcoin or Ethereum, or anything like within the top, 10 to 15 coins. That's what I look to kind of hold long term. And the reason being is we know that crypto is very volatile, but when it comes to these hype coins or meme coins, as I said, the type of drawdowns that you can see in these coins can be very, 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 very high. And if you haven't got the experience within the financial markets or the stomach to actually hold it, then you're just going to end up selling out of those positions. And also within Ethereum and Bitcoin, they can also be high as well. But compared to these other coins, you never really see the huge amount of drawdown that you can see in these type of coins as well. So that's another reason why I hold long term, especially on coins that are within the, as I said, the top 10 to 15 coins. You know that they're going to be around for a long time. Yes, you might not get the gains from smaller coins, but you know that more than likely it's not going to go to zero, and your drawdown is not going to be so much that it makes you want to kind of just quit and sell the coin. So yeah, this is a kind of example of the Algorand investment. As I said, I've had it since 2023, so to be able to hold it that long and still have faith in it and see it go through its ebbs and flows, ups and downs, its consolidation, shows that I've actually made a plan and I've stuck to it. Now people, I'm going to end the video here. You let me know in the comments if you, as I said, if you think this Algorand play is just hype. Are we going to get some more momentum to the upside? You guys let me know what coins you're buying at the moment as well. I would like to just create a little community of people that are trying to go in a correct direction when it comes to crypto, and not just preach about hype coins and 100x gains all the time. I'm actually trying to get some people who are trying to do this serious to create a community. So yeah, you guys let me know what you're buying at the moment, if there's any coins that I could look out for and kind of like maybe do a breakdown of them. and what I think. But yeah, people, I will see you on the next video.